the most famous book for JEE preparation. This is the legendary H.C. Verma physics book, Concept of Physics Part 1. So this is the package in which the book is present. I have ordered it from Flipkart at just 420 rupees. I could have gotten it for cheaper, but I thought it may be pirated. So let's do the unboxing. Actually, I have already torn the part so to check the book, but I have not opened the package. Let's use the cutter properly. I don't want to damage the book. This is the most satisfying process. Unboxing of books. Okay. So glossy, you can see it's one let me check it first. See the cover, guys. I know many students buy this book but just by seeing the cover, but I'm not one of them, obviously. You can see the price, the back cover. The pages are, pages are thin, but the book is overall medium sized. There are two parts of this book. This is the first part. This is written by legendary Professor H.C. Verma. If you are preparing for JEE exam, then you definitely know who he is. You can see the chapters: Introduction to Physics, Physics and Chemistry, Rest and Motion, Forces, Newton's laws of motion, friction, circular motion, waves on strings, gravitation. The book is the page quality is just average. I don't know if it is. Yeah, I think it is a real book, original book. The pages feel a bit light, that's why I was suspecting it. You can see I will show you one chapter for an example. Let's take Newton laws of motion, page number 64. As you can see, the book is simple. Not the content, the way it is written. It prepares your conceptual base. It has many examples, solved examples, conceptual questions as well. I will show you. Worked out examples, exercises. It has a ton of questions. You can practice it definitely. Let me show you friction, for example. As it explains a topic, it contains an example. It is one of the best books for JEE preparation for physics. It contains a lot of questions that prepare your concept. Many people buy it mostly for its questions, but it is a very good book for theory as well. Let me tell you guys that I will give you the book review after reading it for some time. Actually, not for some time. I will read it completely, then I will give the book review, and I will also see the level of questions, which is definitely expected to be better than most of the books that I have read previously. You can see how it is written in a very simple manner. So actually, if you want to buy the book, you can just search H.C. Verma Concept of Physics, but I can also provide you a link in the description box. So please tell me your reviews. views on this book. If you have already bought it and if you are going to plan it, please tell me that if this video helped you. Thank you guys, and please tell me in the comment section that if you liked it or not. Thank you.